You might as well just start walking.
Bro, is this really about to walk, bro?
This shit got me f***ed up. Oh God, I'm not walking.
I'm not walking, bro. Look at this big biscuit head ass nigga.
I'm a couple lean and boo with me. Cause I rock. Try Nick. Ballin' on these niggas like I'm Westbrook. Keep on flexing that damn check, get your allowance too. I like that ice that you got on, get your whole neck too. LRG the fucking mouth, we got these niggas shook. YouTube, what going on, man? Y'all know who it is, man. This boy DJ Groovy, aka Groovy, back at y'all with another lit video, man. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all. Today I'm in a good mood, man. I'm in a great mood. It's beautiful outside today, man. You already know what it is. It's a vibe. Today I got two videos for y'all today, man. I got a prank on DJ and Say. I'm gonna tell y'all about that. And I got a 1v1 versus my childhood best friend, one of my best friends in the whole wide world, man. You already know what it is. But I think this video gonna be the Say and DJ one. So look, so what we doing is we're gonna travel to Auburn, Alabama, which is like an hour and a half. To go play my best friend, my childhood best friend, Q. Shout out to Q. We're gonna see him in a minute, but we're gonna travel to Auburn, Alabama, hour and 30 minutes. We're gonna take a little road trip to do this 1v1. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, Q been talking trash. I ain't seen him in a minute, but he been talking trash about this 1v1 for a long time. So I'm finna just go ahead and say, hey, let's do it. You know what I'm saying? So we finna go out there and do it. So while we on this little road trip, I'm gonna do a little prank on DJ and Say. And if y'all don't know, man, I got a new car, you know what I'm saying? I was driving a 97 Honda Accord. It was busted up. It was beat up. I couldn't do it no more. I couldn't do it no more. The motherfucker was jerking and shit every time I hit the gas, go over 60 miles. That bit would jerk, you know what I'm saying? Bruh, my headlights missing. Like, it was just so much wrong with that car, so I had to get me another car. I'm gonna show y'all when I get out. But I got a new little car, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too special, you know what I'm saying? Just something temporary. You already know what it is. But I got a new car. So we're gonna be on this road trip, and then while we on this road trip, I'm gonna do a little prank. So the prank is, my car won't start pranking. You know what I'm saying? So they know I got a new car, you know what I'm saying? So obviously when you get a new car, like, obviously, like, it shouldn't be nothing wrong with your car. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just, like, I don't know where I'm gonna do it at, but I guess I'm gonna try to do it on like an expressway. You know what I'm saying? To make it even more lit. Do it on the expressway, and then I'm gonna just try to act like my car jerking, or it just, you know what I'm saying, or I hear a noise, and I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna try to turn it back on, and you know what I'm saying, we'll crank back up, and that, bro, they gonna spaz, bro. You know what I'm saying? Because we're gonna really be in the middle of nowhere, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna just, you know, just do this prank on them. I know DJ gonna spaz, you know what I'm saying? I know Say gonna spaz. They gonna be like, what that? They gonna, bro, you just got this car, like, what's going on with it? Type shit, you already know. But it's gonna be lit, you know what I'm saying? Just something, just a little prank, you know what I'm saying? A little something light, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy, you know. But I already know their reaction's gonna be funny, so I'm gonna go ahead and get this started. And if you haven't already, man, subscribe to the channel, like, comment, all that, man. Y'all know what's going on. And yeah, I'm about to head to Say house right now. So once everybody get here, we get in the car and all that type of shit, I'm gonna start the prank, man. It's gonna be lit. Y'all know what it is, Young Groovy. Let's get $500,000. You dig? Yes, sir. Road trip. Road trip. You did? I don't know if y'all can see that. Yes, sir. Road trip. Say and DJ up in the store, they getting us some snacks. You already know what it is. I done got my shit. You already know. Got a little road trip, man. You know what I'm saying? But like I said, oh shit, here they come. Look at this nigga, boy.
You already know it's Mr. Steal Your Hoe in the motherfucking building, man. You feel me?
I got the Vans on, though. Look, something casual, you know what I'm saying?
Something casual, bro. I can change my drip to anything, bro. You feel me?
Yeah, look at DJ ass. Hey man, you know what I'm saying, a little road trip, like I said, you know what I'm saying, I had to put a little 15 in the tank, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna be gone for a little minute. You did, hold on.
15? 15
my shit, yeah, like, yeah, 15, no, 20 will fill my shit up.
Damn!
Oh, my fault. Oh, shit.
You got gas on the Gucci. Well, you gotta put gas on the Gucci's anyway, bro. We don't support Gucci.
Fuck with everybody talking about.
Exactly, I still rock the Gucci, man. You already know what's going on. They probably didn't even mean that shit, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, we finna be on the road for about an hour and a half. You did. Y'all niggas know what's really finna happen. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. Got Rex on me. What you got, bro? That boy got the Snapple. Yeah, the Friends.
So I hope you got some gum,
my boy got.
My breath gonna be stank.
That nigga got hella drinks. So what?
Nigga finna be peeing out the mouth like a motherfucker. You gonna have to keep stopping for real.
Sure, man. So, yeah. I'm gonna catch y'all boys, man. What the fuck?
This nigga.
Go.
This nigga gone. What the fuck?
Niggas ain't really got no money, can't live in my son. And the bitch try to put me on blast, they gon' pull me. And I fucked it up at Saks, so it's double digits. I let them.
Heard a sound, bro. Hey, let's do it, let's do it. Hey, y'all, I'm ready, let's get it. You heard that sound?
Hell no, I ain't hear no. Yeah.
You said what?
Hell no, I ain't hear no sound.
Damn, there's something wrong with my car. What the fuck? Something wrong with my car, fool. Look. There's something wrong with my car, my nigga.
My phone. Yeah, that's the phone.
Shit. What the fuck? This bitch will not crank up, bro. DJ.
This ass nigga car is fucked up, bro. You're on the side of the.
My car won't crank, nigga. Hell no, look.
Shit,
Look, bro.
yeah, I guess this shit works.
On God, nigga. I swear on everything, bro. My car won't crank up. What the
Stop playing with me, bro. I'm gonna call my mom, bro.
fuck? I had hit like a pothole. You know, I'm trying to see like my tire and shit was flat, but that shit, I'm trying to leave. This shit won't even crank up.
This man playing, bro. Look at this nigga.
What the fuck?
Nigga, ain't this car new?
Yes.
What year is it?
It's a 15, nigga. This shit better not be, bro. What the fuck?
Yo, this nigga here, bro. What in the flying freak? Bro.
Oh my god, bro.
How far we was from Auburn?
This nigga come right now.
Bro, how far we was from Auburn?
We 30 minutes away.
It was 30
Alabama?
minutes.
We in Alabama right now.
Fuck!
We in the middle of nowhere, nigga.
We're in Alabama right now.
I had to turn my camera on and vlog this shit. What the fuck?
Bro, we're on the side of the road, bro, and towing be costing like a bitch, bro.
Nigga, you on my camp? Hold on. Let me see. Hold this. Let me see something. I think it's something at the bottom of my shit. Hold on.
This nigga said the bottom. Oh, this nigga car is brand new, bro. This is a brand new. I don't even know what car this is, bro. Get out here, bro. Look at what the fuck. Look like you doing anything.
I don't know what the fuck going on this fucking stupid ass
What
car.
you just do?
Huh?
What the hell did you just do? You ain't do shit.
nigga. Yes, I did.
Bro, this.
What the fuck?
This nigga got us on the side of the road, bro. Listen, ain't nothing but motherfucking wilderness in this bitch. There ain't nothing but fucking
we in the middle
wilderness.
of nowhere. We in Alabama, bro.
We're in Alabama, bro. Towing costs like damn near 300, bro. This nigga tripping. This nigga can't even believe it back here. This nigga can't even believe it, bro.
Talk.
How do you have a new car,
Bro, oh god.
You don't got roadside and shit, bro. Like,
Bro, how much a Uber costs to get home right now from Alabama, nigga? That bitch probably costs
Yeah,
like.
let me see. Let's see how much Uber costs. Let me see.
I gotta download the app, bro. That shit's tough.
Oh, nigga, I hit a pothole, right? That motherfucker was big. I don't see how y'all didn't wake up. My damn tire was going flat, bro. That shit crazy.
I want to take all day to download. Fuck, bro. Come on, bro.
I got Uber, bro. I don't got time for this.
Exactly. How much it is, DJ?
How much Uber?
The bitch, this shit like about 600, nigga.
Bro, I ain't got shit on me, but that's all I got on me, bro. Okay. That shit. Yeah, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Got $31, bro.
This nigga has $30. This nigga gotta be playing, dude.
oh, my Uber 200.
Let me see. This nigga shit about $200. Hold on, let me see how much mine is.
What you mean?
You said what?
That's for everybody. Everybody shit gonna be 200.
Huh?
Everybody shit gonna be 200.
Not mine, nigga. What the fuck? Let me see.
Please crank your car, bro. I don't got time for this shit.
Nigga, look.
Bro.
Look. Hold on.
I was sleeping good.
Look,
I
bro.
was sleeping too
I know
good.
you was, nigga. Your head was like this the whole time. Nigga, you like this the whole time, nigga. Oh God, nigga, your head was doing all type of ways and shit, nigga.
Bro, what the
You about to
fuck?
break your damn neck, nigga. What the fuck, though? Let me show you. Where the fuck my keys at?
My neck do hurt though. I ain't gonna hold you. It's in your pocket.
Oh,
Hey, yo, this nigga here just
Look,
sloppy
bro, look,
all
look,
together,
look.
bro.
What the fuck?
look, nigga.
Is your bat like what's wrong with your car? Is your battery dead?
This might be my battery, nigga. What the fuck? Fuck! 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 Fuck!
You don't got no holes on here.
What the fuck? Bro, you gotta be kidding me, bro.
Nigga, all I have is $30 to my name, bruh.
I'm about to call my mama, nigga.
My mom would not for a drop.
My mom's not either. Bro, what the
Nigga, what are we finna do, nigga? Nigga, look.
gotta call that AAA, boy.
We're on the side of the fucking road. What the hell?
You on a plane? Bro, tell me why we're 30 minutes away from Auburn. This nigga car breakdown. Bro, we are on the side of the road. We are on the side of the road right now.
Jay, get us an Uber or something.
Bro, you have all the money. You're about to fly to New York right now. We know you got money. Who got money?
Jay, get us an Uber.
Not the Uber from Alabama to my house? Hell no, that shit like $200.
How much would that be? And what be that for?
Bro, I said, look, it's like $200+ bro, to get an Uber back to my house.
I don't even have nothing to drink, my nigga. God.
I don't even know what to do at this point, bro.
Nigga, let's start walking, nigga.
You said, well, you got me fucked up.
It's 30 minutes away.
Nigga, to walk, nigga, it's gonna
That's
take us
2
about 3
hours.
days, nigga. It's gonna take us like a day to get back home walking.
Probably more than that, nigga.
I'm done at this point, bro.
Nigga, what are we finna do, nigga?
I don't know what the fuck we finna do. At this point, I'm finna just sleep my life away.
That shit crazy. I just got this shit too, bro.
Nigga about to sleep his life away, nigga.
I just got this shit, bro.
Hopefully I just wake up. Matter of fact, where my shoes at? I'm finna clap them bitches 3 times and hope to get home, nigga. Fuck the bullshit.
Go ahead, clap them hoes. Bro, we playing this shit. We stuck, bro. What the hell? I'm finna
Man, right now, bro, you be trolling, bro. I don't got time for this, bro. I got
This nigga said I
Yeah,
ain't.
that's serious, bro. That shit not cranking up, bro. Look. Look. Look, nigga. Look. Fuck it. You might as well just start walking, nigga.
You understand my
Fuck it, nigga. Fuck this.
Bro, is this nigga really about to walk, bro?
This shit got me fucked up. Oh God, I'm not walking.
I'm not walking, bro. Look at this big biscuit head ass nigga.
This nigga drove 2 hours to get his ass whooped in basketball. That shit crazy. Now we stuck, my nigga.
This nigga here, bro. Look at this nigga, bro. This nigga here trolling like a bitch, bro. This nigga came to Auburn to get his ass whooping basketball. Then his car don't work, bro. Dude, I was just playing, bro.
Cuz, bro, what the fuck, bro? I'm really goddamn heated in the inside, but
Oh, bro, it's about to get dark too.
Nigga, it's finna get dark.
We about to be out here with the wolves and shit. Motherfucking wolves gonna come out the woods and shit, bro. Oh yeah, we strapped up, nigga. Yeah, we good. I ain't even worried about no animals, nigga. We got all that, nigga. Dracos, strap, we got the nines, all that, nigga. Monster and that.
nigga, let's walk back to your house. Say. Let's walk back to your house. Get your car and then come back.
Nigga, that's gonna take like 5 days, my phone is.
Matter of fact, no. You call all of us an Uber, and then when we get to your house, then I get an Uber to my house.
Nigga, hell no. What the fuck? Shit over with. This nigga just said for me to pay for that shit like $200. Let's see, walking.
See how much it is to walk? Yeah, to walk from here to Alabama all the way to your house.
Bro, that shit gonna take us a day and 13 hours, bro.
A day and 13 hours?
Oh yes,
Bro, show them niggas, bro. What the fuck?
bro. This nigga car would do this, bro. What in the fuck? To walk.
I'm finna call this nigga, bro.
To walk
Let
home.
me see. You finna call this nigga. I got you.
Hey, you big ass mother. Go, why you hating so much? What's up, bro?
Guess what, bro?
What's up, bro?
Look. My fault. Look.
Okay.
Nigga, we on the side of the street. My car broke down. Look.
Swear to God.
Yes.
Did it or you got a ticket?
My car broke down.
Where you at?
We about 25 minutes away from Auburn.
I'm with you. Send me your location. Send me your location.
All right, bro.
Alright.
All right.
You drive?
Yeah.
Nigga, that nigga about to save us, nigga. You finna take everybody home.
This nigga finna drop. Oh my god, bro. Maybe if I do some like spiritual shit, like some spiritual, like something real spiritual, and then like the cars crank back up.
Bro, it's nothing spiritual you gonna do to make this motherfucker turn on, bro. That's all.
Nigga, you don't think I could do something real like cool type shit or some spiritual shit and make this shit crank up? You don't think so?
You think I could chop my dick off and piss after? Nigga, no. That shit is not gonna work, nigga. Get me an Uber home, nigga.
This nigga said,
Yeah, bro. I'm just like chop some shit like this. Is what my mom taught me like on some when I'm going through something like real bad. She told me to do this, and you know what I'm saying. Let the man above control.
What the fuck did she tell you to do that's gonna start this car, bro?
why is this nigga trying to play, bro? You know damn well his mama ain't teach him a goddamn thing. Besides eat.
Don't even know bro, I just wanna go, bro. At this point, I'm getting annoyed, dog.
Look, see this nigga playing, look at him.
What the fuck is this? Yo.
This nigga playing and shit. You know damn well his mama ain't teach him shit but to eat, fat ass boy.
Yo, I'm about to shoot at this nigga fucking head, bro. Bro, I know people is passing this nigga like, what is wrong with this nigga, dog? What is wrong
What
with
the
this nigga?
hell? Hold up. Alright, look, bro. Just go. You might as well just pull out a drink and take a shot that way, bro. You might as well, bro. Bro, this nigga got spiders hanging?
One second, bro.
This nigga got spiders. What the hell? We got jumping spiders in this bitch? Hell nah, nigga.
What the hell you out here doing, man?
You doing
What the fuck is that,
What if we like, this might sound crazy, but like, what if we shot at this bitch?
bro? That shit
might
work.
cut on, bro.
Fuck it. You ready? I'ma just do
Shit,
that.
my shit in the back seat. I'm finna let my shit off.
Do what?
Just shoot it, bro. It
Just
might-
let off shots in this bitch. Shit, might goddamn just push start on this motherfucker. And it's a push start. No, this ain't even a push start. It should be a push start tonight.
Do what? Nigga, shoot what? Shoot what?
Your car.
Nigga, the car up.
Bro,
Hold up, nigga.
this nigga got a fucking Draco.
I'm about to try it, bro.
No, chill. Chill, nigga. Say.
Shoot that bitch.
Say, come here, bro. No.
I'm about to shoot it.
Say, no, come here.
Right there.
No, come here, nigga.
We got one in the head, bro.
Hey, what y'all doing, nigga?
Nigga, we finna try.
We about to let us shot.
No, nigga, I just did the whole shit.
We just did what?
Hold on, I just did my little spiritual shit. I think it's gonna crank up right now.
That shit, nigga. We about to shoot.
Let me see. Hold on. It's coming.
Oh, hold up. What the hell is wrong with you? Nigga, I'm about to shoot you, nigga.
Oh, they been. Hey! You did!
It just woke me up.
Yay!
Give me my gun.
Hey! That shit started. You did! Y'all know what's going on. Hold on. Hell no. Nope. This nigga talking about shooting my fucking car. You must be out your fucking mind, nigga. Here, bro. Nigga.
Bro, we literally.
We back on the road,
You gotta
nigga.
call old boy up then.
We back on the
That
road.
nigga probably finna drive right here, right now. Look, he calling you. You gotta tell him. Oh, wow.
Start it back up.
Hey, Q. Q.
What's up?
Hey, it was a prank.
That's fucked up. You got me out there, got out my room and shit like that.
It's a prank, bro. We back on the road, bro.
That Nigga, I had to text up there, I can't say that on camera, but I had to text somebody and say, oh, we're gonna be a little late because of this.
Oh, this nigga had a pussy appointment.
No,
My fault, bro. We back on the road. Hey, we back.
Why would you do that? You know what I mean?
Hey, man, I had to get everybody, bro.
Now I gotta text him.
Hey, we straight though. We 25 minutes away, bro.
Shit.
Oh,
At least I didn't question say where you at, you feel me?
Oh yeah, we good. Hey, I'm gonna text you 10 minutes away though.
Hurry your ass up, nigga, cause they waiting there.
Alright, bro. Yeah, man, I had to get y'all niggas real quick.
I know, bro.
This nigga Say was knocked the fuck out. Say you was slumped, nigga. Your head was the whole time, nigga.
Nigga, it's because I can't even lean the seat back. Nigga, come the DJ right on my ass, bro.
This nigga DJ.
Go back to sleep now?
Yeah, you can go back to sleep, bro.
I don't even want to go to sleep no more. This shit might really for real.
Exactly, you're here already, basically.
You know what I'm saying? Nigga, shit might for real. They'll break down.
Alright, bro, chill, relax, God, please. But yeah, man, like I said, y'all, that was a quick little prank, man. Y'all know what's going on, man. Y'all groovy. You did. King of pranks. You did. I know y'all see the waves too. Hold on. Good God Almighty. Don't drown. You know what I'm saying? But I'm finna go ahead and damn, I don't know what's going on. But I'm finna go ahead and keep driving. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. You did. Y'all know what's going on.